Welcome to another episode of Let's Travel Caribbean. On this week's episode, we journeyed to Rock Hotel and Cliff Hotel to see how they prepare for the Christmas season. Now for our play segment, we journey all the way to Westmoreland at Jam West to check out the ATV. And now if you're hungry, don't worry. For our Eat segment, we went to Montego Bay to check out chilling and grilling. Watch what I go on.
The Hilton's Rock Hotel Kingston intends to make its first ever Christmas unforgettable. It's rolled out an impressive list of holiday offers, and as of November 25, it may unveil not one, but 3 Christmas trees on the property.
Let me just say we're going to have a beautiful spectacle that's representative of the holidays and of rock in our lobby. Maybe not 1, maybe not 2, but 3 trees. And we're going to make it amazing. We know people like to come to hotels and just even for the photo op, Instagrammable moment. I believe our lobby is going to create that experience because everybody wants to be seen and we need to stand out from, everybody else in terms of what we're doing in terms of our holiday decoration.
Since opening its doors on July 3, Rock's sleek architectural design combined with artfully placed elements that make the venue truly Jamaican has made it a must-visit. Determined to ensure locals know they're always welcomed, it now has a special deal just for those born on the Rock.
Absolutely. As a new hotel, you always want to have deals because the aim of the game is to make sure as many people are able to patronize the property as much as possible, especially for locals. For Jamaicans, it's important that there's accessibility always. So for us, we have a local rate that we have going now, which is $170, including breakfast for 2. Taxes are additional, and you can book that through the end of the year, with the exception of New Year's Eve, because that night we're expected to be, very busy, but the local rate is going to be available through the year. To kick off the season, November 27th, we're starting with our brunch, which is an unlimited tasting menu that we're going to offer from 12 to 4 in the Palette restaurant. So people should come and see what that's all about. It's going to be extra special. And from 12 to 2, we'll have live music in Palette. And then on the pool deck, the Rockstone pool deck, we're going to have some retro music just to end the mood for the afternoon chill out on the pool deck, so you can continue your amazing lunch experience there. December 8th, we have an all-white party, full moon party that we're hosting on the pool deck. $4,500 for pre-sale tickets, $5,000 at the gate. And this gives you 2 rum drinks. There's food and drinks available for sale. But the best part of it is we have 5 amazing cabanas. And here's the thing, you can book a cabana for yourself up to 4 people for $25,000. And this is going to cover your entry to the event. It's going to cover a bottle of rum, a bottle of bubbly, and food platters for four people. So that's going to be an amazing holiday event that we're going to do. And December 31st, New Year's Eve, what's downtown Kingston with all the fireworks and the fanfare without an amazing party on our pool deck again, overlooking the harbor. And everybody knows that post-COVID, these fireworks are probably going to be, not probably, I'm going to say they're going to be super spectacular. The best place to come and watch that or enjoy that or ring in 2023 will be on our Rockstone pool deck.
For locals who usually start their Yuletide celebrations as soon as December rolls around, the Cliff Hotel in Negril's West End has extended its summer deals to cover the first 20 days of the month. Front of hotel manager Taji Reed tells us more.
Typically, locals consider the entire month of December a festive time, and not necessarily just Christmas and New Year's Eve. Beginning December 1st through to December 20th, our locals can still take advantage of our summer rate, which is up to 50% off come December 21st. That's when our festive season really kicks in. And that's when we have our peak rates. And however, we still have discounts for locals that want to book with us.
They have also made shorter stays more attractive for those who don't have an entire week to be pampered at the luxury boutique hotel.
We have relaxed our minimum night stay restriction, which will make it even easier for locals to book the property, given that they wouldn't need to book between 5 to 7 nights, but they can now book a 2-night stay if they want at the Cliff.
Guests can look forward to lots of holiday cheer at the Cliff Hotel. As of December 1, the decorations will be up and staff will be sporting Santa hats. A spectacular Christmas tree lighting has been planned with caroling by employees and students from a local school. Sorrel and eggnog will provide a taste of the traditional Jamaican Christmas. Then there's the ball.
Every year we have our New Year's Eve celebration, and this too is open to the public. And even if you are not a guest at the Cliff Hotel, it is an option. We have a la carte option that is open so persons can come over and just ring in the new year with us.
Just came out of the water, out of the Caribbean Sea. It's one of the reasons why I'm here. There's no jacket required at dinner, and yet it's a luxury experience. So what is luxury?
Jamaica in general is a great place with great food and culture and music. It all comes together in Negril.
Unusual in Negril to find a place that's such low density and very open.
We're 33 rooms on 5 acres. That's light, that's air, that's space.
You go down to the water and it's just the rocks and the iridescent blue sea. People have that solitude, that time to reflect.
Wellness is just part of being in Jamaica. It's part of their culture.
The sound of the waves calms the nervous system. Even before we touch you, you start to relax.
It connects the place to the environment. We have a garden where we grow some of our own vegetables and fruits.
It's a lot of love, a lot of flavor. Jamaicans, our motto is out of many, one people. Our cuisine is out of many.
To take the local ingredients and make the food so special.
We need to come up with something new, something true to our roots. Let's see if we can do a breadfruit taco. It's Jamaican versus Mexico. It's like a football match, but Jamaica is gonna win.
The best food you'll find in Jamaica.
People tend to work hard here, very hard. It seems like something that comes natural for everyone.
Their level of customer service is one of the best we've experienced anywhere.
That's our culture. We respect each other, we love each other. From here all the way up there, we bring that from outside straight onto the property.
We're a vibrant set of people. We like to be seen.
We have a few people. Johnny Walker is one of them. He's a character.
Sometimes I don't even have to taste it, I can see the smile on your face when you take a sip, so I say, all right, that's...
LT karaoke box. He sings everything.
If I start to sing a song, my day started to go easy for me. Drum and bass, let's get it rolling.
That's one of the things that the guests love the most, just the personalities that are here.
This place has a personality. It has a soul.
I think more than often property picks me. It finds a way. I said I know exactly where this place is. I came here 7 times, and I never go anywhere twice.
Beautiful surroundings. We saw the potential immediately.
From the moment a guest calls, the reservation is made. Every detail of it means a lot to us.
If you want a romantic dinner for 2, we can make that happen. If you want your family of 10 to eat together every night, we can also do that.
You're like family, so we treat you like family.
They end up extending their stay. They end up coming back real quickly.
On this property, I think people feel taken care of. It's about feeling like you're part of something more than just a vacation. People appreciate that.
Bahamas Motorsports and Adventure Park. We appreciate you being here. I want to thank you guys for making it Jamwise. You could have been anywhere else in the world, but you chose to be with us here today.
All right, so before we all get out and relax, actually chill, we have some few things about the bike to show you guys. Gas and brake, thumbs do the work. This is the brake, that's for stop. And remember, while stopping, you're not gonna hold both of them at the same time. Get in on the chill, remember one thing, you gotta keep focus. You don't need to turn your head that way, and that way you just keep focus on the chill. Because the chill is very narrow. One mistake you make, you can run into a tree, you can get flipped over, and you can go for the ditch, which you don't want that. You're gonna hurt yourself, you don't want that. You're ready to have fun, nothing but just fun.
My name is Brian Hosu, co-owner of Chilling and Grilling, 14 Queens Drive. We used to do a lot of cooking for the call centers. So we used to provide a lot of lunches and dinners for the call centers. And then we decided that, you know what, let's make a switch because we realized there was something missing. So we said, let's do this. And hence Chilling and Grilling came about. We opened in the latter part of July of this year. We have approximately 7 staff, 4 waitresses, 2 chefs, and a scullion. Once you get here, you realize it's the place, the atmosphere is very relaxing. So you end up chilling. And then we had the jerk center, so we said, you know what, let's just combine the 2 of them. We can chill and grill at the same time. Our best selling dishes are the seafood dishes, actually. The escovitch fish. We do a really nice escovitch lobster, which does pretty well also. Not to leave out the Jamaican food. Our oxtail is phenomenal. You know, our fried chicken is juicy, it's not dry. So, you know, come and try it and you tell me what you think. Our prices are very reasonable. A chicken is $1,200. Fish goes by the weight, so it's $2,500 per pound. And then we have our side orders, which is Bami Festival, pressed plantain, potatoes, whatever you want with it, we have that also. But the lobsters, we're running a special, which is 2 for 1 now, which is only $4,000, and that's cheap. On a Friday night, we have our seafood night, where we do a lot of fish and lobster and all of that. And I get down and dirty. That's my thing. So I do a lot of the seafood, and then we do a lot of crab also. So like on a Saturday, I'll do the all-you-can-eat crab, and I cook the crab. I'm known for the garlic crab in Montego Bay. Come to Chilling and Grilling, come try our food, and be honest with us, you know? Be honest, that's one thing with me. If the food tastes good, tell me if the food tastes good. If the food tastes bad, just go home and don't say nothing. All right? And then we'll talk about it another day.